Which of the following statement about the Himalayan rivers are correct? They are very large basins. Many of them pass through giant gorges. Over the plain, they display strong meandering tendency and often shift their beds. This is right. Wrong is they perform very little erosion activity. Which one of the following is not one of the reasons why the northern mountains are of great importance to India? Yeah, they protect the country from invasion. In which of the following state are the Aravalli Mountains are located? See, Himachal Pradesh. The Chennai, Bengaluru, Coimbatore, Madurai region is a major industrial region. The B- 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 the Bakchincham Canal is an inland waterway in India. Which one of the following is not sand borne disease? B. Potato mosaics. The famous Amarnath and Vaishno Devi shrines are located in the states of the Jammu and Kashmir. For the study of climate, which of the following is not relevant? Flashpoint. Urea is prepared by the chemical reaction of ammonia and carbon dioxide. The state in India which produces the largest quantity of common salt is Gujarat. River Luni drains into Run of Kutch. Coal is an example of sedimentary rock. Which of the following state has the most critical problem of erosion of its coastal area by the sea? Kerala. Which one of the following Indian towns has the longest sea beach? Chennai. India's standard time IST is determined according to the local time of which one of the following longitudes? The 82 and 1.5 degree is longitude. The type of crop which is able to fix nitrogen from the air is known as lijam. The total length of river Ganga is about 2500 kilometers. The only state which produces saffron in India is Jammu and Kashmir. Has the following: Deccan Traps, Cretaceous Eocene, Western Ghats, Late Cenozoic, Aravalli, Precambrian, Normala Tapti alluvial deposits, Cambrian. Match the following: Deccan Trap, Cretaceous Eocene, Western Ghat, Pleistocene, Aravalli, Late Cenozoic, Normala Tapti alluvial deposits, Cambrian. The paleomagnetic results obtained from India indicate that in the past the Indian landmass has moved northward. Which of the one of the following rivers of the Indian subcontinent continent covers the longest distance from its source to the sea into which it drains? Ganga. India's land border with the neighboring countries is in length approximately 10,000 kilometers. Which of the following is a non-metallic mineral? Gypsum. Consider the following mountain range of Jammu and Kashmir: Karakoram, Ladakh, Zinsakai, Pirpanjal. Main constituents of biogas are methane and carbon dioxide. Which one of the following is a breed of cattle famous for high milk yield as well as drought capacity? B. Red Sindhi. The principal cause of soil damage in Punjab and Haryana is salinity and water loggings. India indigenous pigs generally give birth to 4 to 6 young ones at time. Match the following: Walar, Jammu and Kashmir; Chilka, Odisha; Lothrak, Manipur; Naki, Rajasthan. Blight is the disease of potato can be cured by Bodiax mixture. The places always Cohen and Cobra have aluminium industries. The largest producer of wood pulp is USA. Khai and Garrett rice mainly live in Meghalaya. Oil refinery located near the field is Nunamati.